Welcome to Zephyrus, a specialized agent in the creation, customization, and automated execution of contracts on the Sonic network. Welcome to the future. We just need to connect. Take advantage of rapid development tools and choose ERC20 in this case. All right, it looks like our contract has been generated, compiled correctly, and we can see the constructor and its inputs for deployment on the Sonic network. If we click on Show Demo, we can preview both read and write functions. We will use this to edit our contract according to our needs and look for the mint function. It seems that the mint function was not included. Let's request its addition before proceeding with the deployment. We review again to ensure the mint function is included, then proceed to fill in the constructor data and deploy the contract to test it. As we can see in the logs, the contract has been successfully deployed. Let's visit the Sonic Testnet Block Explorer to verify the token deployment. We can see the initial supply of 1, which is what we configured in the contract's constructor. Everything looks in order. Now, let's proceed to set up our autonomous agent, which will execute actions on our contract. We go to Admin Contract, where our deployed contracts will appear. Click on the contract to manage it and configure our agent. Once inside, we can interact with it manually. Let's test our mint function to ensure it works correctly. We fill in the required data, sign the transaction, and check the balance of. We can see that the tokens were indeed minted. Now, let's verify this on the Block Explorer. As expected, the tokens were successfully minted. With our contract tested, we can now start configuring the agent. The process is extremely simple, just 3 steps. Our goal is to assign the agent 2 tasks. Use the balance of function to check the user's balance. If the balance is less than 20,000, the agent will mint 10,000 tokens at a time until the requirement is met. This function may seem basic, but it holds great potential, as it will heavily depend on the creativity involved in designing the contract and its instructions. For now, we will test with this simple example. We click Next, and the available read and write functions of our contract will appear. We select the ones we want the agent to use. In our case, balance of and mint. Click Next again, and the maximum gas configuration will appear. We will leave this unchecked. Then we see the automatic scheduling option, which allows the agent to run programmatically. Finally, we click Create Agent and wait for the agent to finish configuring. Now, our created agents for this specific contract will appear. We click on the agent to proceed. We can see the execution panel exit, where we can view the agent's execution logs and manually trigger its execution. We will do this to observe how our agent runs. Now that the agent is finished, we can review its logs. We can see that it has executed functions multiple times and minted 10,000 tokens several times. Let's verify this in the Block Explorer. Here, we can observe multiple 10,000 token transactions made by the agent, confirming its correct execution. This is just an example of how the agent works, but Zephyrus is a platform where you can share your creations and earn S tokens thanks to Sonic's fee monetization program when others use and execute your contracts. Thank you for watching.